You can just, you can boom.
Really?
Okay. What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back with another video, and we got the common guest star of the Versatile Show. Her name is Candace. And we are back for part 3 of the PlayStation Accessories. And really, this contains 2, kept it to a minimum, because I have something that I want to talk about at the end of this that I told you guys we'd be doing now that we've reached over 500 subscribers. So again, appreciate you guys, and this is how I show my gratitude for that. But before we get to that giveaway, we're gonna get to what's in here. And before we do, make sure you ignite that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, share our content everywhere, make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys get notified if YouTube ever fixes that function anyway of videos.
Right.
Okay. Right. Period.
Because they've been tripping.
Right. So without further ado, now let's get into the video. And of course, something that I've been waiting on, and it's relatively small where it can fit into the locations. Now, I had to kind of open this just a little bit because I actually didn't know it was going to come this early. And so that was okay. I didn't know it was actually going to come this early. Ah! Come on, Tiger Claw. Okay, there we go.
Careful.
Be careful.
Look, I cut myself with the knife. Look.
Talk about me being careful. Talk about me being careful. And she over here cutting her little paws. Yo, what's good? Y'all see this? These PlayStation icon lights. Now they're actually smaller than I thought. They were gonna be a little bigger, but I'm fine with them being this size.
How big you thought?
I thought it was gonna be like maybe like this much more. I didn't think it was gonna be this, but I'm cool with this size too. PlayStation icon lights, they light up. As you see on the back,
It's lit.
they light up.
It's
you know, you gotta see me. I just know that these light up. Bow, you see that? Boom. Official licensed product again from Paladone, the company. You guys make some great products. So shout out to you guys.
Was that by the other stuff?
Yeah, the other PlayStation lights you guys saw in part 1, and I believe they also made the PlayStation stand.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so the controller stand. So Paladone, you guys do a great job. Ooh, okay. So you can charge these via USB. So if you want to keep it around your PlayStation or around a computer or whatever, you just plug it right into the USB port and they'll stay lit. You know what I'm saying? Charge via micro USB. Yeah, go ahead. Look at that. Look at that. Hey! Ooh. Oh, I thought that was wood for a second. Oh no, you good. I thought that was wood for a second. It's plastic. What's nice is that the actual cord plugs in like dead center in the back and not on the end. Look at you. Yeah. Oh man. So we would have to have batteries. So we can. So we gonna show you these.
I thought it was USB.
No, I was gonna show them now, but I was like, well, we can actually go hook it up and show them that way.
Oh, okay.
You know what I'm saying? So you can actually. It's
wait,
like
no, bring. Oh, never mind. Because I had for the other videos, I had the
charger cable, a portable charger.
Yeah, no. What is that? The where you just put over there on your side, the tower.
Oh, I see. Yeah,
I had that.
Yeah, surge protector.
Yeah,
our portable charger would have worked, but
I have.
We're gonna show you guys where this is gonna go. It's gonna sit right next to our beloved limited edition Spidey Pro, and it's nice that the charge port is right there. You guys can probably see better right there, so that way the cord doesn't interfere. You can't see it, you know, so it just sits there, lovely, just like this. Boom, lit. You know what I'm saying?
Got the square, the X, the O, and the triangle.
In other words, circle. You know, because you couldn't think of it.
Okay, X and O.
Okay.
Hugs and kisses.
And then on the bottom here, you see right there is if you want to put your, I believe it's AAA batteries. Let me see, standard lighting, yeah, 3 AAA batteries. So, anything else in the box? No, you get the little hazard content, little trash, and then and then the cable. So, you guys, without further ado, here go the B-roll. You guys should be able to see it now. Doesn't it look lovely where it's at? Doesn't it look lovely where it's at? Sitting right there next to that beautiful PlayStation surrounded by Mr. Stark, cause he's in the building, and Spider-Man. Wow. So he looks good right there. And then if I don't like it right there, you guys will see. I could put it right in my little PlayStation shrine, I guess you could call it, the shelf where I have the other light. I could put it right there too. But I think it's gonna sit right next to the PlayStation. It'd be nice, colorful right there.
You know, it goes the PlayStation.
It goes, and you guys see the setup is coming along very nicely right there. This will be one of the last videos shot in here. So that's the PlayStation lights. Let's move on to the next item here. Next, we have the PlayStation Throw Pillow case. Now, that's something that I did not read correctly or was not in the title when I ordered this, because it looks like it's a throw pillow. When that came in the mail, I was like, where the pillow at? And then I went back and read. I'm like, they must have adjusted the title. Not that I probably would not have still ordered it. You know, I probably would have still ordered it, but yeah, it ended up being a throw pillow case. So you put this on your throw pillow. So, okay. So as soon as we get into it, go on, Tiger Claw. Do your job.
What's this about to look like?
Oh, actually, it looks pretty nice. It feels pretty good. Ooh, looks like it's pretty big. Well, it is going over a pillow.
This is supposed to be for a sleeping pillow.
It said throw pillow. See? XO, 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 triangle, square, however you want to say it. Pretty decent material, pretty big. But I guess once you put the pillow in it, it'll look right. So hand me the little zipper over here. Hand me the pillow. Told you it should be the other one.
No, this one's way bigger than this one.
Huh?
This one's bigger than that one.
That thing's gonna fit in here?
Yes.
Give me that pillow.
What? No. Let me show you, cause you.
Okay. Let's see.
Let me, like, I know this decor stuff.
She know the decor stuff. I'm rocking that Frost case, by the way. iPhone. It's gonna be coming off today though. Cause I want to get back to rocking the phone in its original form.
Boom.
Okay, that would have worked too.
No, that would have been all the space.
Yeah, that's fine.
Look at that.
Look at this. Ooh, you can just you can boom.
Really?
You want to say that? You know, cause I'm dead.
Really?
So
That could be a little eating pillow.
Excuse me, I'm not eating on this. It's gonna go right in our little PlayStation sanctuary.
Is that gonna fit?
Yeah, it probably will. You know, smush it. You know,
Boy, that's not how to fit there.
It'll fit in like this. You know, bam, just like that. Boom. And you can still see X boom, get boom, boom. You know, put it in there maybe. Who knows? I mean, the material's decent. I was hoping the material would be a little different, but this might be that.
This is like.
It doesn't annoy me, but it feels
Oh
slightly
yeah,
weird.
no. It feels kind of like satin. Well, on this side it's different. Look.
No, it's the same.
No, this side is satin and this side is. You can see it.
Oh yeah, I guess you're right. Yeah. So it's got two different textures.
Shoot, I'm gonna sleep on this because I sleep on satin pillowcases.
You're not about to sleep on that.
Yeah.
You keep your hair off of
When
this.
I take my nap, boom.
So this will be to work.
Oh yeah, you can use it to sit on
You ain't
it.
about to damn. Oh, maybe. Oh, might have found PlayStation. So this is the pillowcase. Still nice. And, you know, again, links will be in the description below. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. Now, actually, before we end the video, I told you I was going to talk about that giveaway.
Oh.
And I'm going to be giving away a Rinky clear case.
Wait, okay.
Bow! Right here, just like that, it pops up in my hands. The Rinky Clear Pixel 3 case. This is the exact one you get right here. You see it's unopened, brand new. I'm giving it to one of you guys. So in the link in the description box below, you'll see the Gleam link for you guys to, you know, enter. And all it's gonna do is simple. Make sure you like and subscribe to this channel. So like this video, subscribe.
He can check.
Boom! I can check.
He can check.
Right. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel. Make sure you do that on that Gleam page to get your, you know, entrance into the contest. And then of course you will be reached out to via email and whatnot. So that way this can be shipped to you. And of course, you know, the gifts get bigger as they go. I have another one, you know, that's gonna be solid for 1,000 subscribers. But for now, this is what it is.
Okay.
The Pixel 3 Rinky Clear Eco Package case.
Make
you know,
sure
and it is nice. You guys seen I had it on my Pixel 2 and I like it. So definitely great case, great company, Rinky. So be on the lookout for that. Thank you guys for making it this far. 500 subscribers. 500. We're on our way up. We on our way up. And so, you know, definitely be on the lookout for content coming through on this channel because they're rolling. We rolling, we rolling, we rolling. So, your boy Versatile signing out. And until the next video, I wish this thing made sound.
Oh, we could do the sound. How's it go? We forgot a part.
Wait for.
Goodbye.